and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I am opening up some more Hot Wheels Premium Formula 1 from 2025 season. I was able to find only 3 on the shelf this time, as opposed to potentially 4 in other previous waves or more. But we do have the Lewis Hamilton Ferrari. The name fails me, who's running number 6 in Visa Cash App. You have to put a comment down below. And we got number 18, which is Lance Stroll in the waste of a seat driving position of Aramco Formula 1 Aston Martin. Now, I do already have the other 2025 cars in front. I've got 10 in the set. I believe we came with 14 last year. In the whole set, we had no Ferraris, and I do not believe we had the Aston Martins. I would like to get a full set, 2 Ferraris. Now we've got the 2 Cash Apps. Actually, it might have been the young New Zealand guy. I can't remember if he's number 30 or number 6. But anyway, and we don't have the second Red Bull this year, nor the Alpine or Williams, but we do have the 2 Kicks. But I am actually going to open these. Let's start with this one down here, Lance Stroll. It'd be nice to get the Fernando Alonso one. So this is new. I don't believe we had a Aston Martin in last year's 2024. Come out in 25 cars. I will keep this one on the little board. But I do notice that all of these seem to be pretty much the same car, just with different liveries. I don't think we're getting a huge amount of difference in, let's say, the Red Bull here. No, the same design, plastic. The same as with, oh no, hang on, the back is different. Okay, it is different. All right, it's only the ones that, okay, so the engine cover is slightly different. Good. The mainline ones are actually all the same, just a different paint job. Well, that's good to have some difference. Now, I've got a lot of Formula 1 cars. I grabbed an Alonso 118 car that I opened recently on my channel in the Aston Martin Aramco Formula 1 team. So that's for the collection. We have another Visa Red Bull Cash App. There's a name for you. Red Bull this year, isn't it? So car number 6. Again, the name escapes me. Very similar rear end to the last car I had a look at there. Actually, that looks like identical. No, so I'd say that's, yeah, their air intake's different on the Cash App. Okay, I'm glad we got a little bit of difference. We do already have the number 30, and the 2024 cars are obviously way different. So got a full set there. That's good. Previous ones, I'll actually park that one in front. I only have the 1 Mercedes so far, the 1 Red Bull, and obviously only 1 Ferrari. Now they're a bit slow coming to my stores. Also don't know whether I'm not sure this is a 3rd wave. I think it is. They may have already been sold out, because the only other cars that I was able to find were some old stock McLarens and the Hulkenberg Kick. So Ferrari, that's definitely a different rear end on that one. This engine cover seems to be completely different. A lot of the other stuff still is very similar. But hey, they are in Formula 1 anyway. Now this is a matte paint on this one. See, I can move that around. Okay, we actually have more information underneath. Didn't check the other ones. Oh yeah. The Aramco and yeah, Visa Cash App. So look, 3 more, very short video, 3 more for the collection. That's making 13 in my collection. I need another Red Bull. I need another Haas, which we do have the 2 from last year. I think they were in black. I have to go and check that again. I need the other Mercedes. So we've got, looks like we've got Russell. So I think it's Antonelli. He was in last year, wasn't he? I think so. I've got Science in the Williams, but I need the other Williams driver. And number 10, I think, is Gasly. So, or is that Ocon? Might be Ocon. In the Alpine, got the 2 here. What team are we missing here? I don't know. I have to think about that. I think we're missing one team. One that got changed to, hang on, did the kick become Audi? Oh, Cadillac team. That's this year. All right. That's it for now. Happy that that's actually joined the collection. I will continue to find and open them in the future. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Cheers. Bye.